It's a different approach to a video. It's 6:42 in the morning. Heather's about to get her caffeine, her happy sauce, happy burrito. We're doing something different today. We're going to Cars and Coffee with a whole bunch of work buddies, and it ought to be it ought to be fun. So what we're doing now is we're gonna go meet everyone at On Cue, a whole bunch of work buddies, and we're gonna do. Rashawn's gonna be there, of course. We're gonna get his car. This is his first.
Terrible angle of your face.
Is it? How bad is it? You gonna be the cameraman? And we're going to, what was I talking about, Rashawn? Oh yeah, this is Rashawn's first test drive, like legit test drive. So it's 30 miles from where we're going. So we're gonna make sure there's no leaks. That's the goal. So I will pause it here, and then when we get to the, it's so weird having you like, just like, as soon as we get to On Cue, we'll come back to it and see all the cars, so.
So
I love it.
I found a YouTube video and did that.
I have a YouTube video.
No, I found one. Oh, you do? On that?
Yeah, on this.
What?
Not on this, but
oh.
no, I wish I did. That'd be
Oh.
awesome. We made it to On Cue. We got everybody here. Cody's wild ass decided to ride a bike in 45-degree weather. We got Dustin's wife. This is probably the coolest car here, right?
Yeah.
We got Dustin's little kids. You hold the camera?
I want to try to.
You cameraman. You want to show them all the cars?
I want to try. Yeah. I'm in here.
Oh, okay.
I want to have a try.
At the car show.
Remy, we gotta get to the.
We're rolling. Rashawn, you want him to hold the camera? We're headed to Cars and Coffee now. We'll make more footage from there. We're slowly mobbing down to Cars and Coffee. You can get some footage of us behind. We got a whole fleet behind us. Jesse's in front of us. Traffic's an ass right now. We got Jesse's C5, Cody's Harley. I don't remember what it was. It's Harley.
Dustin said you need to slow down. He's trying to get pics.
Okay. Dustin's telling us to slow down. He's trying to get pics. Rashawn's Nissan, Rondell's VW, Hunter's truck, Rashawn's brother's truck. Everything. It's crazy.
All right.
We'll come back. You probably can't even hear us. Yo, shout out to Dustin for being the dude. I'm gonna link his Instagram. You're gonna love this dude.
What an amazing man.
We made it. We made it to Cars and Coffee. We're gonna look at some cars, do some montage music. We're gonna go montage some stuff. Next time we come early, for sure. Yeah. At least that's what I want to do. Dude, it's like massive right now. Oh, you doing it too? Yeah, dude. We can Inception it. We'll like cheers it and stuff.
Oh, yeah, dude. Cheers.
We'll be those guys. Ooh, an MR2?
Before we leave, I want to get a fucking walk around of your car, though.
Let's do it. How's your subscribers going?
I got like 20. But I've only had it for like
I'll
a
bring
month or
mine.
so.
I'll bring my 160T.
Dude, bring it on.
That's all I have.
I'll bring my 20 to you.
NSX? I like it. That means I'll pay out 200.
Hey, dude, good deal. That means we'll look.
Clean little. Clean little C7 going on here.
No, they ain't liking it. Yeah. Yeah, dude.
Screaming for a red.
Dude, are we Twinkies?
Fucking twins, bro.
We're Twinkies.
I also got my girlfriend got me that fucking clamp deal. Yeah, clamp it on.
I got a hat clamp.
You got a hat clamp?
Yeah,
This
for when
one's
I'm
like
dragging Mustangs and
It's like a
Civics.
It's like a just big old squeak clamp. I got it in my bag.
Really?
If you want to open it and look at it, you can.
Yeah.
I'm a big car.
Big. Oh.
But yeah, dude.
Oh my.
I don't know how strong it is. I haven't had the balls to put it on the handlebars. But I mean, you squeeze that thing, dude. It's got some grip.
She used to have a badass one.
God Dang, dude. What the,
Yeah.
Is it a gun?
Hey, I didn't know y'all had.
Is it OEM motor?
Oh shit! That's why everybody's standing there in this thing.
What?
It's got a fucking 2J in it.
Oh. My train brake stopped, son. I don't know what's going on. That's not a 2J. It's a
It's not? No, it's not.
K20. That's a
Dude,
K20.
Yeah.
That's a
I
K20.
just saw the pulleys up top.
That's what Sean's saying. Honda guy.
Brother.
Hey, Aiden. If you ever see one of these cars, it doesn't have a horse. Don't ever get a Mustang. Remember that. Say Chevy for life. Keep that in your mind. When your dad says, no, you're going to get a GTR, tell him, no, Dad, I'm getting a C6 Corvette.
What? No.
No.
Not a GTR. Yeah.
K20 swap Mustang.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry.
Yeah, gone. That's unique. That's unique. I wonder if it's faster than an OEM 5.0.
Might just a little. Just a little.
Ooh. Ooh.
Dude. John, this is you, bro.
It needs to be pink. There you go. Be my cameraman for a bit. Don't worry, I got a warranty on it. I need you to break it so I get a new one.
I want to try. I haven't.
I'll let you try it next time. You see that S10? I see it. Yeah, that thing is, yeah. Come on, babe. This is probably the coolest thing here. Fuel cell in the back. Yeah. So that's for Holly EFI. I'm trying to see what kind of oil pan he did. I gotta find the owner. Yeah, I need to find out who owns it so I can see how we did all that at the bottom. That's what we're gonna have to do for yours. Lean. Oh, that's cool. I didn't know the cup holders were in the back. See that? Yeah, look.
Oh, okay.
It's because all the horsepower holds it to the wall. Yeah, it's like a potato can.
That way, whenever it splashes, it gets you in the ear.
Yeah. Hydrate. Oh, look at that turbo. I'd been sick to have something go turbo come outside.
Rip.
Yeah, that's a bona fide badass right here.
Dude, I want to buy. John, if I built one of these, will you ride with me?
Oh yeah. Dude, I'd ride with you on a moped if you wanted me to. Full homo.
Dude, this thing is great.
350 two port injection.
Said John, if I built one of these, will you ride with me? I was like, might not be a good idea, but it's going to be a fun one.
Oh yeah. Oh, you roll it in a river? It's upside down still? Ah, don't worry about it. Just put a hinge to it. Yeah, let me go get a barge real quick and we'll hitch to it.
The suspension's loose enough, it might flex and touch and drive out.
I'll watch the video.
That's legit. Audi R8. I like how they're on the straight low. Bag. Imagine a load of wood in the back of this.
Nope.
Clean. The COVID coffee. Got a McLaren 570, I think, or 720. Yeah. Yeah. Do you have the GoPro app? You do?
I do.
Are you recording?
About to go. No, no.
Hey, I have some in my car, I
What do
think.
you
I
got?
have some glass protectors.
Glass protectors?
Yeah, I got
Dude,
it for you.
use one.
Yeah, I'll get you one. Hook you up, subscribe. Fill my belt.
GoPro tap though. Like over a
Yeah,
certain
over
speed it'll come
certain
on,
speed,
or
yeah.
like hard braking. See, this thing's sick.
Yeah, I think it's a 720. Perfect color too.
Hey,
The P1. That's what what's his name on I watch him on, I forget his name. Justin's got some crazy.
There's one. That's the P1 I was talking about.
Yeah, that's like a $500,000 car right there.
oh, dude, I like the color of that.
There's a P1
Where? Don't do it. Don't do it,
Yeah,
Jesse.
you think so?
Don't do it.
That's it. J-Rod Christmas running around. There's Camaro just went by.
Yeah.
American Monk is the way to go. Right.
Oh, here's J-Rod right here.
This right here?
Yeah, J-Rod. Where's he at? Yeah, this thing's fucking disgusting. Oh, yeah. Oh, that purple is so...
Got Harley Davidson headlights on
It does. It's got a Budweiser overflow, too.
it. Does it?
Yeah.
I was thinking about doing a Jack Daniels overflow on the bobber.
If it was a Bud Light, it would be colder.
Flames.
What?
Nothing on the flames.
I mean, for a truck like this, though, like...
It does look cool.
We could have a podcast. Let's do it. We're gonna do the Pap and Dick Belt
We even
podcast.
got a share.
And we even have a chair. Heather, come on over. If old school era, flames are cool.
On this kind of a truck, it works. It
But
wouldn't be my choice, but it works.
would you buy one? If someone was like, hey, alright, it's always the Mustangs.
The truck wasn't yellow.
Same guys.
Yeah. Is it? What'd you say, babe?
He's just
I
waiting
said
for the
maybe
crowds.
if the truck wasn't yellow.
It's on fire
Yeah, but
in the sun.
Burn, it's going so fast.
yeah.
Oh, you know he don't play. He's got Rock Auto Box in the
Oh,
back.
brother. That's his exhaust.
Hey, man. Got some old schools. Oh, there's another Z28. Is that 67?
Mustang, though. There's tires in the back of it.
Ooh, we need to go. Ooh, here we go. Here we go.
Gotta be K-Swap.
Yeah.
It's gotta be K-Swap.
Do a burnout.
This girl was probably like, I did not mean to turn in here.
I just want to go eat at Julio's.
What is happening right now? They're like, the C7s, I love them. They're cool looking, but it's like, I don't know.
They're not a C6 though. Let's go around this
Like the
way.
C6, you just can't get away from it. It's like the little kid, like, yeah, this is what I grew up with.
This is my
I guess.
dream car, yeah.
No, not dream car, definitely not.
What?
Dream car would not be a Corvette.
Really?
Corvettes are just dime a dozen.
I mean, what would your dream car be?
Dream car?
1979 AMC Spirit?
No.
I have a guy
Only if it's
that
yours.
has one.
Only if it's yours. No, I think my ultimate dream car would be a Cobra. Like
Cobra?
An AC Cobra, but like a kit car because I want to drive
Oh, okay, yeah. You don't
Or
want to ruin
it. I
it.
really like Vipers because it's still American muscle,
Yeah.
but it's not seen everywhere. That's my
Heather, what would yours be? I already know.
67 Camaro.
yeah, that's a good choice. It's solid.
That's probably the only real good choice.
Yeah. I love this flip bumper.
Those are nice too.
Yeah, it's third gen, right? I have a buddy who's selling it.
No, it's not third gen. My old turbo car was a third gen.
No, yeah,
it's
yeah,
considered
second gen. Yeah, like that Trans Am. That body style?
This flip bumper right here. Oh, G-Wagon.
I guess it's always the BMW too.
BMW is just like a level up for Mustang drivers. When the Mustang driver grows up, wants to be more sophisticated.
It's a sophisticated Mustang.
Yeah. I'm gonna shut it.
What I do need to do is I need to get like my pot filter stuff for the wind.
Yeah.
I forgot about that. I have another GoPro with me that's gonna
What's the
wanna
fuzzy
do-
thing in the car?
It's a windbreaker.
They do those speaker, like external speaker things.
Yeah.
I was thinking about getting one of those.
I'm wondering if they're any good. Are we going right or left? Where you go? Yeah, let's go left.
Let's zig around.
We lost everybody.
You seen the old boy in the K-Now?
The what?
There's a K.
That's a stock motor, right? It's like considered a Lindsay or whatever.
I know nothing about BMWs, bro. You give me the line.
I know they don't have blinkers. That's all I know is they don't have blinkers.
All you need to know. Oh, dude, look at that. Clean. Clean.
Oh, you need to change your headlight? Let me pull the whole motor out.
Dude. New
How did I
cars.
put that in there?
New cars.
Yeah, bigger. Oh, that's not a bigger. That's a. Oh, that is.
Dude, I like that.
Clean. Yeah.
I think Oklahoma finally legalized
Yeah.
it where you can do it. Makes it worth it.
That's a.
Yeah, bro.
I'd have been like, bro, I have a C8. Fuck you. Get your
Fuck are
blinker.
you to tell me what to do?
You don't want to do blue? Do what? God dang.
There's 3 of them, dude. We could go rip around
Dude.
Bricktown in these things.
These are probably what had the trailers across the street.
Actually, yeah. Yeah, I would just drive it here.
Cobra? Is that a kid Cobra or is that legit Cobra?
Probably a kid car.
No, I don't know. These things are what, $1 million?
Dude, last I'd seen, it was a couple years ago, they were like $1.5 million is what I think that wanted sold for. They're crazy expensive.
What are those seatbelts?
This might be real.
Powered by Roush. These are very, very expensively rare cars.
Real Cobra. I don't know how to tell if they're real or not. I know that one time ago I seen somewhere it was like something on a frame rail. You could see if they're like the stamping in the frame rail would say if it's real or not, but I don't know where that's at.
I'm gonna put my money on it if it's real. Just by the seatbelt. Pretty sure those are like sex swing seatbelts. Like,
Oh, dude.
what? Oh,
Lord, good lord.
okay, blow your candles out
Yeah.
from a mile away. Let's go check it out.
What?
This is supercharger. Right here. Look at this. Look at the Hoosiers on the back.
See, you got exhaust at the front and the back.
What? Oh, it's probably a blow off. Probably is a cutout. That's what I'm putting in mine, is that battery rear mount. Jesus Christ.
Nice.
Jesus. Oh, as soon as I start recording, the GoPro starts. The light goes green. Alright, so that was the end of that one. I got some footage I gotta go through. It's really windy, so I don't know if we're gonna be able to use most of it, but everyone kind of split up. We're all headed out. We're all tired. Well-worked graveyard. We're following Cody for some good old din-din. And Dustin's getting some rollers of his car real quick. And Jesse's with us as well. And yeah, we're just gonna go enjoy the nice weather we have this Saturday. So we'll pause it here, get to there, and go from there.